Students, last period we will learn about the slow movement. In this next period we will learn about this type of mountain. Here is given a one activity. This activity do in your home. Take a 30 centimeter long paper strip. Place your hands and both end of the strips. Here given diagram. Move both hands toward each other and give pressure on this strip. This activity do in your home and note down the observation in your notebook. Observe what happened. First strip, that means at that time we please both hand end of the strip. This strip was straight, and second is the when at that time both hands toward the each other. At that time this compression of this strip is as like a folder. Here then in activity the strip was moved by placing hand on the both end. The work performed of the strip at that time is called as a compression. That means in first activity the strip was moved placing hands on both ends. That means the both ends at that time we are place our hands on the both end of the strip. At that time the work performed on the strip at that time is called as these are called as the compression. Pressure was given on the center of the strip from both ends. As a result the strip moved and fold are formed. That means at that time second activity, that means your hands or our hands toward each other. At that time the pressure given to the center of the strip, and at that time the strip move and fold are formed. That means here here the strip moved and fold, but in this first diagram there was only straight this strip. This is known as the compression. And the second diagram or second figure, the pressure was given on the center. That means the pressure given on the center of the strip. At that time these are fold are formed. Similarly, due to pressure, earth crust movement are generated and fold are formed. That means at that time the earth crust the movement are generated on the fold are formed. And here given first type of mountain, which is known as the fold mountain. Energy is transferred from the interior of the earth. Because of this energy wave pressure working toward each other and the horizontal direction, the layer of the soft rock from fold. If the pressure is very high, large scale fold are found and their complexity increase. As a result the surface of the earth get uplifted and fold mountains are formed. The Himalaya, the Aravalli, the Rockies and the Ants and the Alps are the major fold mountain of the world. That means in activity second number activity, when you give pressure toward the strip or toward the center of the strip, at that time folds are found. Here the first type of the mountain is the fold mountain. That means energy is transferred from the interior of the earth. That means this energy is passing through the interior of the earth because of the energy waves and pressure working toward each other. That means this energy and pressure working toward each other. That means this energy and pressure move toward each other in horizontal direction, and they move toward each other which direction? Horizontal direction. The layer of the soft rock from the fold, and at that time the layer of the soft rock is created a folder or occurs a folder if the pressure is very high. At that time the pressure is very high pressure, large scale folder formed. That means at that time the pressure is high, and at that time the large scale fold are found. Their complexity increases, and at that time the fold are created. As a result the surface of the earth get uplifted and fold mounted are formed. That means in figure A and B. That means at that time uh, earth get uplifted and fold mountain are created. That means you understand how the fold mountain is created. Here given some example. Which mountain are fold mountain? The Himalaya, the Aravalli, the Rockies, the Ants, the Alps are the major fold mountain. Here given some example of the fold mountain. That means Himalaya is the fold mountain and the Aravalli is the also fold mountain. The Rockies, the Ants and the Alps are the major fold mountain. That means here given some example of the fold mountain. Here you observe this figure. Here you observe this two figure. That means the fold mountain. And here folded part of the mountain. Here given picture or figure here. Then next activity. In second activity, observe here some example of the fold mountain. That means folded part of the mountain. In here the image of the Himalaya and adjacent area. The next activity, the take a long strip of the thin paper. That means you take the thin long strip of thin paper. Hold one end of the paper in your hands. That means you hold on one end of the paper in your right hand and hold the other in your left hand. Pull both this end away from each other. These two ends, pull both ends away from each other. Observe what happened the paper strip. What happened? This strip was tension created on this center and these are cracked in the center. Here show this diagram. In the activity second, tension is created when you pull both the end away from each other. Similarly, when movement occurs in the opposite direction to each other, the tension is generated and faults are found in the earth crust. That means in the second activity, the tension is created when the pull both end away from the each other. That means at that time we are pull these two end of this strip away from the each other. This similarly when the movement occurs in the opposite direction. That means at that when the movements occurs the opposite direction. That means when the movement in the opposite direction to each other, the tension is generated, and at that time this tension is generated and faults are found in the earth crust. And at that time faults are created in the earth crust. That means they created a block mountain. Because of the internal movement, horizontal waves moving away from each other are formed. This causes tension on the layer of rocks. This leads formation of fractures in the rock. This is known as the faults. Similarly, waves coming towards each other in hard rock also formed a fault due to the compression. When the part of the earth crust in between two parallel faults is lifted, it looks like a block. See figure 2.9a. Such a landform is known as the block mountain. The hilltop of the block mountain are flat. In early stage, they do not have any peak. Their slopes are steep. For example, Black Forest Mountain in Europe, the Meghalaya Plateau, and India, it has been formed in the similar way. That means here given the Black Mountain, because of internal movement, horizontal wave moving away from each other. That means at the movement in the interior of the earth, the horizontal wave is passing away from each other are formed. This causes tension on layer of rock. That means these waves, the internal movement, because of the internal movement of the earth, the horizontal wave passing moving away from each other at that time, this causes tension of layer of rock. This leads to formation of fractures in the rocks, and at that time this tension is created a fracture on these rocks. These are known as the faults, and this is known as the faults. Similarly, wave coming toward each other in hard rock, that means these are known as the faults, but this wave coming toward each other, that means these two waves come toward each other in the hard rocks. Similarly, wave coming toward each other, that means at that time the interior movement occurs in the interior of the earth, movement occurs in the interior of earth. At that time you wave away from each other, and this is occurs a faults. But these waves coming toward each other in hard rocks on the from also from the faults due to the compressions. When this part of the earth crust in the between two parallel faults is lifted, that means when the part of the earth crust in at that time the between two parallel faults is lifted, that means these two parallel fault is lifted, it looks like a block, and this is the looks like a blocks, and this is known as the block mountain. In figure 2.9, such landform is known as the black mountain. Here given a block mountain, that means the wave coming toward each other in the hard rocks. At that time, which type of rocks? Hard rocks also formed faults due to the compression when this part of the earth crust in the between two parallel faults. That means this is the two parallel faults is lifted. That means this parallel faults and this parallel faults is lifted. It look like a block, and this is a look like a block, and this is known as the block mountain. The hilltop, the block mountain are flat, and at the hilltop these mountains are the flat. In the early stage they do not have any peak, that means they do not have any peak. The slope are steep. For example, block forest mountain in Europe, that means here given some example, that means in the forest mountain in Europe, the Meghalaya plateau of India, that means in India the Meghalaya plateaus has also been formed in the similarly, that means here given some example. Which is the example of the fold mountain? The Himalaya, the Aravalli, the Rockies, the Ants, and the Alps. What is the example of the block mountain? Block mountain, the block forest mountain in Europe, and the Meghalaya plateau in the India. Here, so one diagram of the Meghalaya plateau in India. Here given next activity, or take 3 notebook of same size, hold them on tightly on table, keeping a distance 2 or 3 centimeter. Remove the 2 notebook on each end away from the center one and observe it. What happened? Draw the diagram. Immerse because of the notebook in your notebook. That means this activity do in your notebook. Here given geographical explanation. When horizontal movement on the earth's surface acts the opposite directions, it causes tension on the rocks of the earth crust. When the tension increases, fracture develops in the rock. This leads to information faults. Consequently, rocks on the both end of the slides on the continuity in the layer of the rocks is not found. That means when horizontal movement on the earth's surface acts that means at that time the horizontal movement occurs, and at that time earth's surface was opposite direction. It causes tension on the rocks. That means at that time the tension causes on these rocks in the earth crust when tension increases, and at that time this tension is increases and fractures is developed in these rocks. This leads to formation of faults. You very well know at that time this fault is formed, and consequently rocks are both end of sides. This continuity in the layer of the rocks is not found, and at that time the both end of the slide and continuity in the layer of the rocks is not found. Next, the rift valley. Sometimes two fractures developed side by side in the earth crust. That means the two fractures developed or created in the side by side on the earth crust. The land in the between two fractures subsides. That means at that time the between the two fractures this land is subside. The subsides deep part is called as a rift valley. That means they move these two fracture these two fracture in between these two fractures. This in between the area of this land is subside or deep part is found, or deep part is occurs. This is known as the rift valley. In figure 2.10 AB, both slopes of the rift valley are steep. For example, the rift valley, here given one example, and then here given one example, rift valley in Narmada. Narmada valley is also rift valley. Then Rift Valley of River Narmada in India, the Great Rift Valley of Africa, the renowned Reverse Rift Valley of Europe. That means here given some example of this valleys. The continent building, that means the hyperogenic movement, that means slow movement occurs toward the center or the from of the earth center toward the earth crust. Because of this movement, vast part of the earth crust is unlifted, gets subsided when the part of the earth crust is uplifted. Continuous are formed. Therefore, this movement is called as a continent building movement. Extensive plateaus can be also formed because of such movement. If the originally continental portion of the crust subsides below the sea level, is from the part of the sea bed. That means at the slow movement occurs toward the center. That means the slow movement is occurs on this center from the earth center toward the earth of the other crust is uplifted to get subside when the part of the earth, that means the other part was the, because of this movement is vast part of the earth and crust uplifted or get subside when the part of the earth crust is uplifted. Continuous are formed. This movement is continuous formed. Therefore, this movement is called as a continued building of movement, and this is known as a continued movement of building. And here given one example, the if the original continued portion of subsides below the sea level from the part of the sea bed.